There are many things that can go wrong when organizing an event, from the risk of weather forcing you to abandon your plans, to the risk of participants hurting themselves. No contingency plan is going to account for every possible scenario, leaving event producers exposed. Event insurance is the name given to the bundle of protection designed to cover events. From concerts to weddings, corporate networking functions to mega sports tournaments, event insurance is a bespoke product that is designed to cover the risks you need protected. There are no one-size-fits-all solutions under event insurance policies. Your plan will be created specifically for the event it will be covering, giving you the assurance that you will have the support you both need and deserve if anything should go wrong. Starting with liability protection, all event insurance products can then be tailored to include a range of optional coverage benefits, with premium factors including variables such as the location of the event, type of event, number of participants, production budget, and comprehensiveness of cover, with plans offering more protection usually being more expensive. For more information about event insurance, or to receive a free event insurance quote, ask CCW Global, where your insurance is swift, simple, and sorted.